is my top-notch trading strategy, the most profitable strategy of all time. So I am giving it out. Pay attention, understand every bit of this strategy, and your trading history will change forever. Now, this is my number one strategy, the most profitable strategy I have been using. The time frame is 15 minutes time frame, step index. So pay attention. You need only one indicator to change your trading history. So pay attention, understand every bit of this strategy, and you will remain profitable forever trading forex. Now this is 15 minutes time frame, like as I said earlier, step index. Pay attention. You need only one indicator to change your trading history, the most profitable strategy I have been using. So I have decided to share it with you guys so that you will start making massive profit. Now, only one indicator, CCI indicator, that is the indicator you need to do what? Change your trading history and start counting hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. Now, I will show you how to do the settings. I will show you how to set up the indicators. To understand, so pay attention, make sure that you understand every bit of this strategy. You can write it down or you can screenshot it to understand. So let me show you how to set up the indicator. First of all, I need to delete the present settings here so that I start from beginning. Pay attention, understand how the setup is being done, because that is the most important aspect. If you can understand how the setting is done and how to apply it, you will be able to enjoy the profitable trades with it. So the first thing is to go to F, hit on F. Then the indicator we need is CCI indicator. So click on F block sign. So locate CCI indicator. Here is CCI indicator. Here is CCI indicator, that is the commodity channel index indicator. So you click on it. Now this is the default settings on your screen. This is what you are going to see, the period 14. But now pay attention, this is where the setting comes in. So the first thing you need to do is to change this to 100. To understand? Then apply to typical price. Do you understand? Apply to typical price. Then the style, change the PZ to 4, change the color to red. Do you understand? Then the next is the level. Now the first thing you need to do here is to delete the minus 100 level. Then change this 100 to 0.00. to understand? So the pixel, choose 4 pixel, change the color to red. To understand? So that is all you need. To understand? That is what all you need. Now on my screen now you will see from the side of CCI indicator, you will see a horizontal line. Now this is a horizontal line. Do you understand? So the crossing of this horizontal line is our point of interest. Do you understand? So when the red line, the red moving line, crosses the horizontal line, if the crossing is from down upward, that is a clear buy signal. Do you understand? So when the crossing is from up downward, that is a clear sell signal. Guys, this is a clear strategy. This is a strategy that never fails. Do you understand? I have been making use of it. Now this is how the strategy works. Pay attention, understand it, apply it, and enjoy your profit. So when this CCI crosses this horizontal red line, that point of crossing is the point of interest. That is what our point of interest. So once the crossing occur, look at it, you make your words by entering. If the crossing occur from down upward, you make your word by entering. So here you make your buy entry here, and this is what massive profit, as easy as that. Do you understand? So we proceed. I told you this is a top-notch strategy I have been using, and this has been generating over and over. So make use of it. Now this is another crossing here. So when the crossing occur from up downward, that is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? So make use of it and enjoy your profit. Now here is what the crossing here, and this is the crossing here. So once you make your sell entry here, and this is what massive profit, guys. I am releasing this secret free of charge. Make use of it and give me feedback. Because I know this is going to change your trading history forever. Do you understand? This is a huge profitable strategy. Now watch here, look at it. Are you seeing it? So make your buy entry from the point of crossing. Do you understand? So this is it. Make an entry here from the point of crossing, and this is what massive profit, as easy as that. Only one indicator. Do you understand, guys? I have been using this and it has been paying very, very well. Now look at this. This is the current chart. This is what current chart. Look at the crossing here. So you make your sell entry from this point. Make your word sell entry from this point, and you can see I am in profit. Have you seen it? So I have been using this and I've been generating quite a lot of profit. This particular strategy, I use it to grow $15 to $3,500. Do you understand? So make use of this and give me feedback how profitable it is from your own side. Do you understand? This is a killer strategy and I'm giving it out to you guys free of charge. So don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. Go through the channel videos, pick a strategy that is most profitable to you, research on it, understand, use it often, and you will start making consistent profit. Do you understand? So this is Optimal FX. Hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history forever. Thank you.